Hello again. We're back after 1.5 hours, and basically we said that altcoins, large caps like Ethereum, they all have head and shoulders patterns forming on their 4 hourly to 1 hourly time frames. And I said this addition to the Bitcoin dominance bouncing from critical support on the monthly time frame, which is the golden pocket on the Fibonacci, and also the linear ascending support, is a likely reason for why altcoins can cool off a little bit. Not necessarily drop exponentially, but see a bit of a cooling off. And that is exactly what we're seeing. You can go to the Solana chart, we're down to 191. It is not an extravagant drop by any means at all. People tend to be confused with what is an extravagant drop and what is a tiny correction. This is definitely in the category of a tiny correction. With a lot of these altcoins, I'm actually very happy because we're coming down to the necklines of the W formations we spoke about and we traded over on weeks and all of our other accounts. So it's beautiful. And actually, you can even say that this retest was, or this dump was a retest to the neckline. It wasn't to the dollar, but you can make that argument. So actually now, if you want to DCA, I think now is a great time. Dogecoin also nearing that W neckline, confirming hopefully the pattern actually to then continue moving up in the bullish manner. That's what we would want. That would be the ideal scenario. And I would be, considering to add limit orders to your existing positions. Like you can go to Solana, for example. We have a Solana position over on weeks. You can see that we're almost seeing that retest on the lower time frames. And opening a long position to DCA now, I think, could be a very interesting idea. If you want to be holding these altcoins for the long term, I think buying to DCA into your positionings for the long term makes a lot of sense. If you don't want to risk your own money to be opening these positions, then what you can do is you can go to the description of today's video, sign up to Coinflare, deposit 50 USDT, make your account, and by tomorrow you'll get 100 USDT to go ahead and open positions with. Or you can go to Weeks, deposit $2,000, bind your phone number, keep a minimum balance of 2K in your futures trading accounts, and in 3 days' time you will have $400 to go ahead and try to catch the bottom, but you may be late. So I would definitely check out the Coinflare bonus because this will give you $100 by tomorrow to go ahead and open positions with. So that's what I would be doing. I think Dogecoin is coming down to very good areas. You can even do limit orders over on Weeks or Coinflare. You can do, let's say, a buy order at 0.233. Then your take profit for now we won't put in. Stop loss, I would be considering the 0.21 territories for a potential stop loss. And I can quickly show you, and yes, I actually did open a $8 position on BNB. I thought it was a $800 position, but turns out that it was an $8 position. Luckily, it was an $8 position. I said that I'm going to be DCing into BNB as time passes because we have a bearish divergence on the 15-minute time frame. That turned out to play exactly as predicted. So luckily, that was just a $8 position and not $800. But yeah, I forgot that we need to add more money to this account. That's the issue that I'm having with these, with the YouTube trading accounts, that I constantly need to add more money. It's a bit of a hassle, but yeah, we're going to scale up the accounts on Coinflare specifically because, as you guys know, we scaled our weeks portfolio from $5,000 to now where it is at the moment. I only added a little bit more money to this account, but we over doubled our money that we initially put in throughout our Bitcoin positions, throughout our Ethereum positions, so on. So congratulations if you've done that. And if you want to be trading with us, then again, you can go to the links in the description. Weeks and Coinflare are the two exchanges that I'm personally trading on and that I love to use at this moment in time. Quickly before ending off this video, Ethereum is, we hit the 3.59695 level. We didn't really come too much further down from that. And I posted a tweet in the morning saying I'm expecting an Ethereum pullback into the 3.5 range, which is exactly what we've done. So I think if you want to be scaling into Ethereum positions, even though we can cool off a little bit more, I think now is a good time to be doing that. So that's just a very quick video. I'm preparing for the Moon Show, which will be starting in 15 minutes time. So if you want more of my analysis, you can go to the Moon Show channel by searching it on the YouTube bar, clicking search, and then going to the daily live. That is my home. That is where I'm streaming. So you can go there, subscribe to the Moon Show channel. And guys, with that said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Happy shopping, and I'll see you all on the stream incredibly soon. Take care, guys, and as always, bye-bye.